yesterday. I felt so peaceful, finally made the choice I knew, the one that I had to make, for my own heart, for friendship's sake. That wasn't healthy, so much is true, so I let go. I had no choice but to let go. Yet my heart still rejoices when I see a message from her, and I keep missing the sound of her voice. Oh, I keep missing your starry blue blanket. Let her be, let her live her life. But my heart still rejoices when I see a message from her, and I keep missing the sound of her voice. Oh, I keep missing the sound. And I tell myself it isn't her fault, it's yours, only yours. You should have known, so take a step back, turn your heart into stone, but stay loyal to the friendship she's shown. Yet my heart still rejoices when I see a message from her, and I keep missing the sound of her voice. That cute, adorable sound. Filling the empty, that's what she always does. She'd been filling the empty inside, that hollow in this heart of mine. But I know I can't rely on her this time, because it wasn't healthy. No, it wasn't healthy for her or for me. I just had to let go. Yet my heart still rejoices when I see a message from her, and I keep missing the sound of her voice. So I lay here now with 1,000-yard stare, way past beyond the ceiling, trying to clear my mind, while part of me still waits for another sign she's still alive. I fight it, pretend it just isn't there, find something else to turn my mind to, something to distract. But this is a war deep inside, between what I'd like to be and what I know should be. And I hate the thought of her seeing me like this. This is not who I am or who I want to be. But the empty inside, she filled it so well, and letting go of that now feels a little like hell. 'Cause my that sweet little